Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love my pups, but I don't always love their breath. So that is why I got them these fresh breath treats from Arm& Hammer.
Arm& Hammer believes that your pups deserve the best, and they have made these great baking soda enhanced formula treats just for them. It comes with 40 little mints that are chicken flavor and a fresh mint scent. And my girl Soka cannot get enough of them. She hears me pick up this box and she comes running because she just absolutely loves these little treats. They have a great little crunchy texture, and I think they are just the cutest thing. They're all shaped like these little bones, and there are a variety of colors, and I just think they are the cutest thing. And not only does she love the taste of them, but her breath is fresher and it is so delightful for her. I absolutely love them.
So do you and your pets a favor and get them some of these minty treats. They're gonna love them, and so will you. And that's my point of view.